Malola malia hau eike mo lele e tonga hono kotoa. Whiawhia ke utalitari lele ki mautol ki homo uni ngongo mo le tio ke umafu televisione tonga ki he houani. Wakai ke ngai ulo i ngongo. Toilonga mo uyang ai ngawe taha kau polisi i ta uni i he hāmai ai CEC ai whaihia i ngai ahu malolo o i Christmasi. Whailonga he tama pilinisi His Serene Highness Pleniskalani Walfotofili ai kakato ai langa o holofo o e ako anga tāpui lau aniafi. Pea manaki whailonga i a talitali e ta ufo o wano wao no, a ke polo kalama whapā o ne potongai takmamata i he wafuvuna i he whiawhito o pele lolo o i wikeni. E to i aipe me ngāhi tala noa ki he anayangi whatami wakai ke whamimitaha me he mala e oistipoti, ka umo afu ke whamatala e aka koe whakaliwa en ke whakaikiki, ko hao sinori tātu i vai. O guwiki e potongai polisi e kakai o e whanua i he ngai whinga o aki wā ofi mo e whitokoni aki i lorotonga ai aho mālolo o i Christmasi mo e whaka osta o. Ko i hāmai eni ai hola lelei i he lorotonga whakahoko ai ngāwe taha kau polisi ai o lorotonga whakahoko he wā i taime ngai aho mālolo i Christmasi mo e whaka osta o ai e toka kato ki au sāpate o i wikeni. Leite a tau kāpo mo e whaike ki tala noa ko yanki hawani.
I whakaike ke angonga le te o Tonga mo e tokoni komisiona polisi David Tavailea nā nepihe, ko ngahi li poti o whakamā opo mai i he lolo tongani o a umai gi aniafi. O mahino ai holo ai ngahi whaihia i he ngahi aho mālolo o i Kilismasi, whakatatau ke ngahi tau kua mali watu.
O si ai pe ngahi whailo, ka ku whawhia ki ke ngahi tau ki mua, ku i tunga whawhia maari ap tu pe ai tauni. O mātuunga pei ai he mālohi ono atu e ngai proklama ki mua atu ai whatokanga e wiki mga kai whanua pe ke ono whamālohi pe ai visibility pe koe hāhoro ai kau polisi mo i petrol i he halapure anga ai aku mau ki tokanga pe ke tawako e ngau e toka mua pe ke whengau e aki pe pe mga o sakolo au kia pe ngai whairo e kua whahoko ka au kui he tunga whawhia maari e kutai ke whula. Ka kutui koe konga mauinga i he ngāwe koe ni, tak whito ki ahoni, pe moe hoko atu koe ni, koe whito aho māroro wani, he riange o manatu i Kismasi ane, mo inga i o waulo. Ka kutui i kaupe ngai mea e tuk whauski a pokamani, no atu ngai so manatu ka patupanga.
Nā wiki ai e wailea e kau o Fisakolo, pe he ki he kakai o whanua i he ngai whinga o aki kotoa pe, i he mahino o kukamata ke holo au pito ai ngāhi whaihia. Nā toi tuku mai e wailea ai tapou ki he kakai o whanua. Ko hika ngai whakawhiawhia o taritari o tau wha i he wikeni, mo iai e tokanga ki ngau aki e ngahi matātahi i he ngahi whamili koha whakataha anga. Ke nau toi tokanga ange ko uhi ko hamo ui e ala mole tupu me he tae tokanga pe ko inukawa mālohi.
E whamālo e putu ngā ue, ngai whingau e kotoa pe i he aho e ono mālo koe nu whahauko e ngau e mawahe putu ngā ue. Pe ko whāma e putu ngā ue ke tau ki ngau e whatahai pe i he toi ngā tukua ni ke whaasi o si tau pe ki kamatanga e tau whuhu. Ko ata pe whatokanga koe mo whamanatu. Ko hui koe hauni koe a māroro. Angai pe koe ngai pokalama ko atu ki bua. Mahui ngā pito a kinau tolu o ke ngai matātahi. O siai pe ngai matātahi o ku mea e hau eki pe la wiro kia ka kai whanua. Ku i kai ke malu. Ku i tunga whatu tāmaki. O kaua e matātahi laulea. O mai nihi a ngai matātahi i he tawhaaki. Pakatonga ko ia o Tongatapu. O mawinga pito o kawa ia a laulea. Mawinga pito ki whamama o miai. Ia, dunga teitu ko whaega o kautahi ke whapapau i o ki ai pe a kakai lalahi. Nau kei o seni, malawa ki nau pai hangai ngāua. Taim ta tau, o ku whare e pot ngāwe, oa e poulia. Ka kau katunga u mālohi e tahi pe hako. O mawinga pito ki whamama o pe me tahi. O tai pe ke kāinga lere au ka horo pe moe o koe ki tahi, pe mua tai pe whamanatu, pe moe whatokanga ki tawhaku ia. Tawhaku e halapureanga, ia tai pe kore pe moe tapo e putunga ue. Mahui ngā pito e malo e whewhanonga ki halapureanga ki tahakotoa pe. kawai ai fauli hokawaia tapu ia helao ya evo ki fauli kala cheni be moe fauli lele vale ngai me ni tene ala usia ai mal no akela pleo wada be ai tapo po ngawe e na dolo uma o ka holo e ta mai be nga report me nga api certificate ke ulu atu no ma ka holo be ha pa nga pa problema no api o usia ngai fanau be ke ni ko ya o family ai ko ngai fa tokanga be ko atu aba falu fua we be ai fa mo ko ngawe ko te tau whenga ki e fa sos
Kai kehe, koe ngau e taha ko eni e kau polisi ne kamataia i aho whalaite, aho tahiwa, pa e toka kato ki aho sāpate o e wikeni. Mai o ngā le tiom televisione Tonga, ko auritea tau kapo.
Kua fusi ai fuka i api ko niu ko kai i takui lau ane afi. I hei kuna kafa ko lava i ehe ka wakatutuku mo i ako lolotonga i hono langa ai holofo o ai ako a ngā. Ko hingo ai holofo o ko ini ko i kalani walu multi-purpose hall. Li te atau kapo i pe mo i whaikiki.
Ko e oa uni na me ai e pilinisi kalani walu fotofili o whakaola ai ngāwe ko lava.
Mukataki o pas mai.
I he hili ia nei toi mea i peo ta tala ai maka whakamanatu e holofo o ai ako anga.
Koe nā katoa no whamanuka i ripi ne.
I he whakamatala ai Palestini ko listo tuku taku i lau wahenga o Amerika ke le to sili na ane pehe ko e kotoa ai whakamole whakapaanga ki he langa oi holo na whiunga me paanga e 3.3 miliona. Koe make he anga ai langa ko eni, na fua kotoa beia e kolisto tuku taku i lau o ikai hamo ua.
Ne fusifuka ai e teke lau, he kolo e kin. O makatu o ngai ai lava mea he aha koeni, ko e tataki ai whetu moana. Ko e ngāu e ki he Kalani Walu Multi-Purpose Center. Na e tenta e ngāu e koe ni ki tua, pe tala mahu inga mai ki ai e kautaha e whā. Pe i hono sivi'i, he komiti ai kolistu tuku, pena e whuaki ai ngā ue koe ni ki he kiwi Tonga. Ko nau tōlu, na e maulalo pe maa taha, e nau tō whatongia ki he ngā ue koe ni. Na e lava he teke lau, ke whiau e ngā ue koe ni, a ke pāngai 3.3 miliona. Pe ku o lava pe o whakapapaui, o ku lava le rei pe ngā ue, ki he Kalani Walu Multi-Purpose Hall, he ki seniti, mo e oko na mau he teke lau.
Lolo tonga eni, ne whakamalo ia e maokakala kako sea ia e komiti teke lau, ai ngāwe ka whakafa ko lava. Nai hoko atoi pēa kātoanga ki e houa ilo o whakahoko ai e ngai whakame ite o e aho. Koe konga eni e kātoanga ai e siu peli koula ai kolistaku i lau. Mai o ngonga le tio me televisione Tonga, ko auritea tau kapo.
Ne ongo e toki whakahai tu ki mua pe tax ai kolistaku i lau ki he tau whakako wanoa wanima i he mau aiola ai sivi whapule anga ai form fitu i he tau fo'ou. Kana e whailonga i makehepe i he pongpongi o i ahoni ai polo kalama whaki pali whakahonga ma ai whāna wako na nau lawa i lelei e nau whengako ki he tau ni. Ko e polo kalamani na mea whalanglangi ai a His Serene Highness Pirinisi Kalani Walu Fotofili. Peti Pleik ilo lahia me whai keiki.
I he whakamatala whakatau ai pule ako anga matai ka whulau mahina na ane pehe, na e whakafuafua ke whanau ako e ni mangi au whahiva na anau le sisita i he kamata anga o i tau, ka koe toko whangia waluono pe kua nau lawai a tau whakaako i he tau ni. Nā te pehe e whulau mahina e toilelei ma whainga maari ange ai ako ai whanau, hili ai kakato ai ngā ue ki ono whakafo au haloki ako kua hoko koe whale tā whakatātā pe Arts Hub ma ai whanau ok nau tale niti i he malae o i āti. Nei kai ngata i ka ne kakato mohono langa ai whale i fifo o ma ai whanau wifi ai kolisi, mo ni ihi ok nau manako mo ako i he malae o i musika. Kei ke hene whakailonga i mo ni ihi tu ki mua i he ngahi malae i tu ahe loki ako, pehe ke kalasma kehe i hako a ngā ok iloa koe Gateway to Heaven, ok nau to kangai kina ai ni ihi, ok nau te fie mao to koni ange o hange ko hani ihi ok whaingata i a whakai sino, pe koe ni ihi ok ikai ki nau malawa o laukonga pe tohi. Ne fuaki mo mea ofa ma kehe ma ai whakawhi whakalanglangi mo ni ihi kehe pe, koe makasini whakamanatu o i kau whaiako mo ni ihi kotoa ni nau whakahoko whatongia i he ako anga, talu me he tahiwa fitnima o a umai ki he ahoni. Lolotonga e ni nai fuaki ai pe mo i pale whakahounga ki tamasi i mo i tahine ako kotoa pe na nau lawai ai siwi i he ngahi le soni. I he level o form fitu na lelei tahai ai mata pule lai whewhine o i kolisi Jasmine Whalemaka i he ngahi le soni e ono, ai ana ne tūki mua i he le soni whakalotu, le soni tonganga whakawhonua, le soni takamamata mo i talitali kakai, le soni le whakatonga, le soni siokalafi, mo le soni historia. Na lelei taha atu i fua pule pule kefu i he le soni ngowe, le soni sainisi, mo le soni biology. Lolotonga e nina mea a His Serene Highness Pilinisi Kalanivalu Fotofili, o vikia ai kau whaiako ai kolisi i he ikuna kua nau teu i aki ai whanau ako ki he tau whakaako o i tau ni, i he mahino koe teu tangata na nau tōtō iwi ai e aonga ke whanua i he kaha u.
Whaam ki whakaingonga ma ke ai kau holomua i nau kamata whaifatongia i ako angani i kamata ana. Kau pure ako, kau whai ako, me kau ngā oe katoa pē, ni mo tā mai e whihi, koe whanonga o e ako angani. Wei ni ihi na nau tō tau he apingi, ko hoke nau mo ui, koe pulapula o e ako korisko takuilau. Maho inga, ka o ata whamalo loto hounga, ki ngahi mātua tau i whanau, mo whalala mai mo loto lerei, ki o mai mo whanau, ki hoko koe koloa mahu inga, o whai hono teu i he apini. Koe koloa mahu inga, ako anga, koe iai a whanau, koe hakau o i lolo tonga, ka koe whonua ia he kahau.
Koe make he anga e tanak tu unga e kolistākui lau, e toki ui pe a tuki mua pe taks ai ako anga, i he misa kamata ai ako i he whaahi tau whakaako wano i he tau whaou, i he hili ai ui ai ola o i siwi whakapule anga ai form fitu. Ma ai o ngongo ale teo me televiso ne Tonga, ko au Peti Blake, ilo lahia.
Ko a whakama opo hatao. Koe whiawhia e ngā hiloto whale o i whāmili mo i whanua. O ngā una e potunga i takmamata, whatu utua e polo kalama whiawhia ma ai whāmili mo i whanua, i he aha oluaki o i tau whaohu ua noa ua no. E tatake he potunga o i takimamata, i he whingau i ake mo i office wha ampastoa a siaina, ai polo kalama whapā o ni whanua, i he whiawhi apule lulu aha oluaki o sānuali ua noa ua no, i he wafu wuna. E kamata ki pēr polo kalama ma ke he potunga we i he taimi fitu, pēr e tōku hoko atu ki he whakapā o ne i he taimi walu e whiawhi po uli. Koe tau mua ai whapā o ne koe ni, koe taha pēr ngā hio wau ma ke he ke whailonga i aki ai tali e tau wha o no wau no, pēr ke whawhiawhia e ngai whamili i he kamata anga o e baka wholau o i tau wanoa wau no. O mahina koe polo kalama koe ni, o tā pēr ki he kakai o i whanua ke nau mamatai i he wafu wuna. Uni o ngongo whaloto whanua i ki Hawani, Ko e hiri ni te tau hoko atu ke whamamita me he malai o Sipotifa hoko atu ia e Mark Ake.
Ulolo tonga whakaake ake rerei e aterita fuhu I loa ko Anthony Joshua mi hea whakatutamaki I he halapuleanga I Nigeria. Ko e whakatamaki ko e nina e mori ai mo ui e ua, hiri whepaki mea reri a Joshua mohaloli I Lagos, Nigeria. O ko he tuunga whangawhia maari e pia Joshua, pēnei kai ki hoko halawea lahi ki hono sino. Whatatau ki ha whamatala mei muri na e mate matapuri e ua ka koiongo ua mei muri, kai hao peto kotoru o kauai a Joshua. Nei hanga e timi security a Joshua o whakahau whi ia, moi pāsese e taha na I he loto mea rere. Nei whakaliri a Joshua, moi toko taha pāsese ko e ni ki he whamahaki pe I Lagos. Ko whakahai Palestinian Nigeria, ane whea kaunga mamahi, he ongo mo uine mole I whakatamaki ko e ni. Nei whanau a Joshua I Watford, England, ka koe ni whamiri mi Sagamu, Nigeria, ka koe kolo ofi peki wheitu ne hoko ai whakatamaki ko e ni. Nei wholawa Joshua ki Nigeria, ke ne malolo, hilia ne ikuna I a Jake Paul I he aha wanoa o mahina ni. Pea koe spoti beia.
Ko Mark Ake mai whamumita me he malai o Sipoti, te tahokan ke whamatala ea, tuku mai me senta whamatala ea, tonga I whamotu, whahoko atu ia e pesa kuila.
Malo lau maare ho eki pia moe lelei e tonga kotoa, tai tari whiawhia ki mōtolu ki he tau. Whamatala ea ko ia I he e whiawhini, vai tānoa la lahi le vai noe aho, whatoa ngai ange. Lahi ki alo maari e pe ki he kotoa e ngahi vai whanua ko ia o tutonga, whai ngā maari e ke whakahoko tango ngai whatongia ke kehe, ta tau pei tōkanga, wharehanga, pe whoki ngā tai. Kai te mta tau pe ma whana makehe ange ea, I taimi aho ki he kotoa pe ngai vai whanua ko ia o tutonga. Wakaire veni ke mi satellite, whatonga ia ngai vai whanua e ongo niwa, wa uha apai, Tongatapu pia mo e ua. Lahi ke alo maari e pe ki kotoa ngai vai whanua ko ia o tutonga. Tuke hange au whia au kune ngā unu mai pe me ta whaaki whakahake. Mala pekene o mai ha uha tu moto ia ngai wheituu. Ki kotoa pe ngai vai whanua ko ia o tutonga. Wakaire veni tau ngai whatokanga ke ngai potu tahi ke mea I e kau wholau tahi ka peke kau tau tai. O kei tuu pe ha whatokanga hako pe mo e whare I ke whanki I waka iki. Ke tokanga heo ki tahi ke ngai potahi ko ia o tere ki tonga, pia mo tere ki toke lao. Kahi pasiki ahu nima ka hoko mai whatonga inge, alo tamak whatalo piki ko noa wha efa ku ni ngā unu mai me ta whakahake ko haa moa, o ni ngā unu whakatonga, o ikai ke uesia o tutonga I he hoa ua wha ke wha walu ka hoko mai. Kahi te mita taupe, alo tamak uha akune kei toka peke ta whakatoke lao ko ia o tutonga, mala peke o mai ha uha tu umoto, I wha o singa e wikeni ki kotoa pe o tutonga, kai lahi ki alo maari me he ongo niwa o au me ki Tongatapu pe mo e ua. Tau whanunga koe he whiawhini koe ki a pongpongi, whatonga e nge me he vai whanua ko ia o e ongo niwa ki Tongatapu pe mo e ua. Lahi ki alo maari e pe tuke henga taime au whia langi, mala peke I mua uha tu umoto maa pe ki a po pe mo hengi. Ke yangi pe toka ngamatangi pe me hake, o au ke meritahe hongo fulu ke tahe nima ke hoa, pe hiki hake o ke meritahe wanoa ke hua nima, tau te fito ke potahi ko ia o tere ki tonga mo tere ki toke lau. Waloa tako whamawhana ke poni, Gilise siase wa tolu ki Tongatapu pe mo eua, pe hao peke te gilise siase wa nima ki he ongo niwa. Tau whamatala ea ka pongpongi, whatonga inge tau kei whia pe mo alo maari, pe me he ongo niwa, wa uha apai, Tongatapu pe mo eua. Tuke hinga taime au whia langi mo uha tu mo tō maa pe. Ke yangi pe toka ngamatangi pe me he hake moe, tonga hake ki wawau, kai pe whoki he ongo niwa, o au peke meritahe ongo furu ke taha nima ge hoa. Hangi pe toka ngamatangi pe me hake me toke lau hake ke ngai potahi ko ia haapai Tongatapu pe mo eua o au ke meritahe ongo furu ke taha nima. Pe hiki eko ke meritahi wanoa ke hua nima ke potahi ko ia o tere ki tonga pe mo tere ki toke lau. Malunga taha koe fo mawhana ke pongpongi, te gilise siase tau noa ke kotoa pe o tutonga. Tai mihu pe moi mamaha ko e tahi, maha toka ia toi hongo fulu, ke hongo fulu he poni. Tau maari, hoko totonu ai wha a hengi. Ko la a moi mahina, amanaki ke hopo la a pongpongi o siminite taha pe me ono, pe a tō ia o siwanima pe me fitu, e fiafiko ia a pongpongi. Tō e mahina, o sta wha me he wa a hengi, pe a hopo ia, I hoko totonu ai wha e fiafiko ia a pongi. Whaos pe a tau wakai ki e tau whamatala ea ko ia, ki he aho e nima ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa, o kamata he tua purelulu e wikeni, ki he moni te koia o wike ka hau. Lahi ke alomari e petu ke hanga taimi au fia langi moha uha tu mo tō holo. Malunga taha koe fua mawhana ke ahe nima ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa au peke te kiri se wawalu ki he tolu noa. Koe kakato ia e tau whamatala ea, tala monuat ke mou mau hata ufo o monu ia. Malo opito mou mea mai, ka mou mea.
Ko pesa kuila ia moi whamumitaha ko ia o whamatala ea ki hawani ki mo patau mawai ta toi wakai peheni ki ngai ulu i ngō. Toi longa mo uyang ai ngāwe taha kau polisi i he ta uni, i he hāmai ai si ai whaihia, i ngai ahu malolo o i Pilis Masi. Whailonga he tama Pilinisi, His Serene Highness Pleniskala ni Walfotofili, ai kakato, ai langa o i holofo o e ako anga tākui lau ani awhi. Pea manaki whailonga i a talitali e ta ufo o wano wao no, a ke polokalama whapā o ne potongai takmamata i he wafuvuna i he whiawhito o pelelolo o i wikeni. Pea koe kakato ai pea mo uni o ngongo me leiteo ka umafo televisione tonga ki hawani mo i e wha amu e a tono atu ki noto whale o e tonga hunu kotoa. Whamaloa te tau keiwhi aho mai, kwa o sinori tatu i mai, ka moni.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga news for tonight. Making headlines, Tonga police record a drop in crime during this Christmas period so far compared to previous years. His Serene Highness Prince Kalaniuvalu Futofili officially opens the new multi-purpose hall of Takuilau College. And the Ministry of Tourism collaborates with the Chinese Embassy to organize a fireworks display to celebrate the New Year. We'll have these and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest in sports and the weather update to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I'm Popua Aho. Tonga police have expressed their appreciation to the nation for their cooperation and support throughout the Christmas and New Year holiday period thus far, which has yielded positive results in a drop in crime during this time compared to previous years.
This positive result has been observed during the ongoing police operation being carried out over the holiday season, Operation Ungafifita, which will conclude this Sunday. In an interview with Radio Tonga News, the Deputy Police Commissioner Tevita Vailea says that reports gathered up to yesterday show a clear decrease in crime during the Christmas holidays compared to previous years. Vailea also thanked town officers and members of the public for their cooperation, saying that their support has played an important role in reducing criminal activity. He further advised the public to be more cautious during New Year celebrations this week. Families who plan to gather at beaches were reminded to remain alert and prioritize safety, as serious harm or loss of life can occur due to carelessness or alcohol consumption. The police operation began on Friday the 19th and will conclude on Sunday of this week. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
The Takuilau College students, ex-students and supporters gathered yesterday to mark the opening of their new multi-purpose hall as part of the celebrations for the school's 50th anniversary. The new building was officially named the Kalaniuvalu Multi-Purpose Hall.
His Serene Highness Prince Kalaniuvalu Futofili unveiled the commemorative plaque for the newly constructed hall, officially opening the faculty. In highlighting the accomplishment, the president of the Takuilau College Ex-Students Association, Keletosili, said the total cost of the project worth 3.3 million paanga. The construction of the hall was fully funded by Takuilau College ex-students in the United States, New Zealand, Australia and Tonga, with no debt incurred. The chairperson of the Takuilau ex-students board, Ma'okakala, also addressed the gathering and commended the successful completion of the project, acknowledging the collective efforts that contributed to its realization. The ceremony continued into the afternoon with a traditional dances and also feast to celebrate the accomplishment of this new hall, built out of the contributions of former students for future students of the college to enjoy. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Litea Tongatapu.
Nuku'alofa College had also opted to delay their prize-giving ceremony this year from the end of the school year until this morning to coincide with the school's anniversary celebrations. This morning, the school gathered at their newly opened Nuku'alofa Hall to recognize the academic achievements of the students in both academic and co-curricular fields.
While the prestigious Dux Award will only be announced next year following the release of the National Form 7 Certificate examination results, the ceremony highlighted the dedication and excellence of current students across multiple disciplines. The event was graced by His Serene Highness Prince Kalanivalu Lord Fotofili, who attended as the guest of honor. In his address, Principal Mataika Folaumahina revealed that the college began the year with 549 enrolled students, of which 486 successfully completed the academic year. He noted that despite the challenges, the school has continued to grow and improve its facilities. Among the upgrades celebrated were the renovated art hub, providing enhanced space for creative learning, and a new band room, now serving as a dedicated space for music and performing arts students. Special awards were presented to students in the Gateway to Heaven class, a program dedicated to supporting students who require extra attention, including students with disabilities, while also celebrating those excelling in diverse areas of their academic journeys. At the Form 7 level, head girl Jasmine Falemaka was recognized as the most outstanding student, excelling in 6 subjects: biblical studies, Tongan society and culture, Leafka Tonga, tourism, geography, and history. Her classmate Tuifua Pulepule Kefu earned top honors in agriculture, science, and biology. Guest of honor, His Serene Highness Prince Kalanivalu Fotofili congratulated the college faculty for their dedication in preparing students throughout the year, emphasizing that the commitment and perseverance shown will contribute positively to the nation's future. Principal Mataika Folaumahina praised the resilience and hard work of the student body, noting that their collective efforts enabled them to overcome challenges and successfully complete the academic year together. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Betty Blake, Ilolahia.
And the Ministry of Tourism has announced a public entertainment event to celebrate the New Year, a fireworks display on the evening of Thursday, January 1st. The event is in collaboration with the Chinese Embassy and will include several other activities prior to the fireworks display, aimed at providing an opportunity for families to gather and enjoy some of the New Year festivities. The ministry's program will commence at 7 p.m, followed by the fireworks display at 8 p.m. The program will be open to the public, and members of the community are invited to attend and view the display of fireworks at Vuna Wharf. That was the latest from the local scene. Okay, now taking a look at the latest weather updates from the Foremoto Weather Forecasting Centre, presented by Besa Kuilang.
Hello and good evening. Welcome to our latest weather forecast from Tonga Met Services. Our headline for this evening: we expect fine weather across the Kingdom of Tonga. It is great for outdoor activities, but please take note, we will continue to experience a warm air during daytime for all of Tonga land areas. Looking for a satellite imagery, as you can see from the newest Mawa'u Ha'apai, Tongatapu and Ewa, mainly fine with clear skies, apart from some fair bits of low clouds moving in from the east, and it will bring some isolated showers for all of Tonga land areas. For current warnings for coastal waters, a strong wind warning and small craft advisory remains in force for Tereki Tonga and Tereki Tokelau coastal waters. Across the region the next 5 days, as you can see, tropical disturbance 04F located to the east of Samoa, and it is expected to move south and not affect Tonga in the next 24 to 48 hours. However, the potential for this system to develop into a tropical cyclone is very low. But we are now concerned on this trough located to the east of the group, and it will bring a mostly cloudy, especially for the Niuas and Wawa'u, with a possible scattered showers. Let's bring the weather closer to home into Island Division. From this evening to early tomorrow morning, we expect a fine weather across the Kingdom of Tonga, apart from some fair bits of low clouds with a possible isolated showers. East to southeasterly winds of reaching up to 10 to 15 knots for all of Tonga. Coastal waters apart from Teleki Tonga and Teleki Tokila coastal waters of reaching up to 20 to 25 knots. And the overnight minimum temperature of around 23 degrees Celsius for Tongatapu and Ewa, across to the neighbors of around 25 degrees Celsius. Forecast for tomorrow, we expect a similar condition with a mainly fine for all of Tonga, apart from cloudy periods with possible few showers. East to northeasterly winds reaching up to 10 to 15 knots for all of Tonga coastal waters. And the maximum temperature for tomorrow of around 30 degrees Celsius for Tongatapu and Ewa, across to the New West. For the tide prediction, low tide 10 minutes to 10 tonight, high tide at 4 o'clock in tomorrow morning. Sun and moon, sun will rise at 1 minute to past 6 tomorrow morning and will set at 7:25 p.m. tomorrow evening. Moon set 14 minutes past 2 early tomorrow morning and moon rise at 4 o'clock by tomorrow afternoon. Wrapping up with our 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa, starting this Thursday until Monday next week, we expect a fine weather apart from cloudy periods with possible scattered showers by the end of this week in the next 5 days. However, the maximum temperature in the next 5 days for Nuku'alofa of around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius. Thank you for tuning in and wishing you a happy new year. Malo opito. See you next time.
Thank you to Bessa and the team at the Tonga Met Service for that latest weather update. That wraps up this hour's news package with radio and television Tonga News for the hour. But before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Tonga police record a drop in crime during this Christmas holiday period so far compared to previous years. His Serene Highness Prince Kalaniuvangu officially opens the new multi-purpose hall of Dakuilau College, and the Ministry of Tourism collaborates with the Chinese Embassy to organize a fireworks display to celebrate the new year. That was the latest news with radio and television Tonga News for tonight. Thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.